Hey guys, so I'm shooting this portion of the video on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. There's all the mess from me doing my unboxing, and yeah, I had to charge up the battery, so it's getting a little dark, so I thought I'd do some low light video just to see how it does in low light. Yeah, there's the selfie. This is the smallest camera I've ever owned in my life. This thing is tiny. There's our Christmas tree in the background. Yeah, so I'm going to do quite a few videos on this Hero 7. We're going to be doing a lot of our robot building on this, and yeah, so this will be interesting to see how well this thing does. I'm sure it'll be a lot better than my cell phone camera, but we'll see. I'll do some comparisons of that as well. And yeah, so I think that's about it. So we'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, got the GoPro 7 Black out today. We're going to be testing out some of the functions. Going to be doing the 5-minute loop and test it out as a dash cam. I doubt anything exciting will happen, but we'll see. I got 94%, so I'm just going to basically test out the battery life while it's in the loop mode. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. So we'll see you outside in the car. Hey guys, I thought I'd check in. So we're doing the looping test. We're at 55%. We've been going for about half an hour. Anyways, just wanted to check in and show you where I'm at, just at the kind of River Valley area. Just doing deliveries. So yeah, we'll keep going. And like I said, we're at 55%, down from 94, so it's about 40%. In half an hour. So that's a pretty good battery drain. We'll see. So we're down to 3%. We ran for about an hour and 10 minutes. So you could plug it in. Where I have it on the dash, it didn't really work with the cord I'm using for my phone, which is a USB-C as well. So if you don't want the cords, you get about an hour and 10 minutes out of a battery as a dash cam. So that's not too bad. I mean, if you're just driving to work and back in a day and you just want to use a dash cam for your morning commute and your evening commute, then this should work just fine. So okay, so we got the GoPro powered back up and we're shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second, and things are looking good again. Like I said, the cord I have isn't great for mounting in the car. It's just not quite long enough to, well, it's long enough, but it's a stretch. And yeah, if you don't want to be using cords in your car, you can just run it on battery power. Like I said, for the looping mode, I got an hour and 10 minutes, so that was pretty decent. And yeah, we're just sitting, waiting for orders for deliveries. Just trying to make a little extra money while I go to school, sitting beside this big pile of snow. Yeah, not a lot of fun. Kind of bored. Here are some shots from the pool hall. The GoPro seems to struggle balancing low light and high light exposure. You can see that it gets grainy, and then the lights in the hall are overexposed. I watched some videos and changed the minimum and maximum ISO in the Pro Tune menu and hope for better results to show you in the next video. I like that the GoPro was so small and I could basically put it anywhere to take some cool shots. I shot these clips in 4K at 60 FPS in wide view and did expect a much better quality, and now I know that you can change the settings to adjust to different environments and to achieve better quality. So in the future I will be hopefully putting up some better videos. I also compared a picture I took with the Samsung S8 and the GoPro Hero 7 Black that you're going to see at the end of these few videos. I'd love to hear some comments, or if anybody has any suggestions, anybody that knows how to use the Hero 7. I just want you to know that I am new to this, so this is something I'm going to have to learn how to use properly and hopefully create better content. So, also again, I was disappointed at the picture comparison. Definitely need to make some adjustments in the menus to get better shots for that. And here's the comparison. I also wanted to mention that we will be getting back to our BattleBot building after the new year, and you can look forward to some more videos of that process. I would love if you guys could like, subscribe, and share our videos. All the support will be helpful to us in the future.